Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to play old Roblox in this video. I got this inspired off a YouTuber. I can't remember his name. One of my friends did it as well. Not gonna name specifics, but yeah. And yeah, so pretty much you want to go to this site called Finobi. Pretty much this right here. None of this because I just created my account. So then I'll say for you to create an account like somewhere up here, register or log in. You guys probably never done this before, so you guys should register. Then after that you can, it's pretty much Roblox, guys. So as you guys see, so we're just yeah, so pretty much this is playing old Roblox. So this is 2012 Roblox. So yeah, so you might need to download the client. I don't really have the client installed. I'm not gonna do that, but if you guys install that client, you guys will be able to play, for example, Work at a Pizza Place from 2012. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.